vibes flying, guys. So yeah, guys, this week has been a very choppy week. You know, the market hasn't been showing me what I wanted to see, and remember, we are still trading our phase 2. We passed our phase 1 with the 95% win rate. So right now we are on our phase 2. So yeah, man, for those who don't know me, my name is Trader. I document my journey, yeah, as being a forex trader / 9 to 5 worker. So yeah, I'm a bit crusty, guys, right now, so don't mind me now. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is to show you that discipline is very important, and I followed my rules this week. I didn't force any trade, and the thing is that I've been very busy. So I will show you guys my whole week, and then I will show you guys the number of setups that I'm supposed to take and how I was supposed to take them, and the reason why I didn't take them, and I will show you the ones that I would have taken. Because of this week, it has been very busy, but otherwise, guys, yeah, let's get to it. So right now it's still a Saturday in the morning, so I'm gonna do some few workouts, and then yeah, we'll show you guys the charts right here. You see, from this zone, right, I was expecting the market to break and to come here and retest. So after this retest, guys, I was expecting an entry, but unfortunately I didn't enter this one. If you can look at here, I didn't enter because of the entry here. It was during the Asian session, so the market decided to lift off, you see. So for last week, my bias on Euro USD, it was a buy. As you can see here, it was a powerful buy, so I ended up not entering it, right? So don't forget, guys, this is a market recap. And then another pair I was supposed to trade was I was looking at, this is GBP USD. So if you can also look at GBP USD, guys, this was the same structure. Let me draw this. Let me do something like this. If you can look at GBP USD also did the same thing. As you can see, the market has been down, right? And then it decided to break the structure to the opposite side, right? After breaking to the opposite side, it went down again, meaning this was giving us our second confirmation to show that the market is looking forward to do what? To buy, right? Because remember, when the market wants to change direction, we have to wait for it to break to show us signs that it wants to reverse. So as you can see here, it showed us a deep retracement. This retracement, it was very deep to show that right now the trend was changing, right? Because since me, I am a trend follower. So after here, the market created a second pullback. Remember, this was this was my first pullback. This one from here to here, it's a second pullback. So after this second pullback, the market decided to retest. And then unfortunately, even on this one, guys, on GBP USD, I didn't get a chance to trend to enter, right? So what I can say is that my bias for the whole of last week, it has been a buying momentum, or I've been expecting buy setups on my chart. So I was looking at AUD USD. If you can also look at the AUD USD, it has been doing the same thing. The market here was trending down. After trending down, it did a deep pullback, retested, pullback, retested. So my entry was supposed to be here, because this one, if you can look at it, it created what we call a pseudo head and shoulders, right? It has to do with experience. This is a head, a shoulder, and a head. So some can call it a trend line, but for me here, I'm seeing a what do you call a head and shoulder. So it created a pseudo head and shoulders. So from this point here, this one is our last retest. It's the retest. So here you could have entered with a powerful setup here, and then yeah, and then the last pair that I'm there, the market has been in an uptrend. How do you then know this is an uptrend? By looking at my number of candles, how the candles are aligning. According to the trend, we look at the majority. The pair was mostly buying and breaking what higher high. So it broke. So we were buying here. If you can just simply draw a simple trend line here, if you can look at this, like a trend line can also assist you to see the chart. You see, if you can look at here, buyers are in control here. Buyers are in control. So if you can look at this trend line here, and then if you can look at here, you see the buyers were in control here, right? So from next week here on gold, I'm just gonna expect maybe a bit of a drop, a retest, yeah, drop and retest, and then the market will continue going down, because at the end of the day, we are following trend, right? So in the next coming week, we're gonna expect the market to do what? To drop. Okay, this is what I'm expecting this week. There's no other buy that I'm expecting. I'm expecting gold to sell. So yeah, I guess this is what yeah, I've been expecting. This is a 50k high stakes phase 2 account. Okay, so the profit that we made right now is $44. So as you know that we only took one trade this week, and these are the statistics. As you can see here, PNL, and the pair we entered is DistroKid. It was 4 positions. So yeah, the market took us out on break even. As you can see, the win rate so far, it is 100% win rate. So yeah, man, this is the dashboard update. Yeah, so yeah, guys, as you have seen, guys, yeah, this week it wasn't a good week at all. As I've showed you guys on my analysis, like most of my setups were not what can I say, were not respected, because of the conditions have been very different in a weird way, because you would see a setup and then the market changes direction out of nowhere. So yeah, but as for gold, gold is the most trending pair which people are mostly making money on. Gold, I'm expecting sales next week. Yeah, because I'm expecting sales. This thing of saying buy gold, gold won't buy forever, because it has to do with the market and economic conditions, guys. So when the conditions are bad in the US, obviously gold, they use it to hedge their country or their currency, right? So it seems like right now the US is picking up, so meaning we can expect gold to become weak. Okay, yeah, like it's not rocket science, guys. Even if you draw your head and shoulders and northward, as long as the economy is not stable, most of your setups are gonna be invalidated. That is what we have to pay attention to. But otherwise guys, I think this is for me here right now. I'm done. So if you managed to watch this video until here right now, I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, man, don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell as I drop another video. Tango!